Hey, Dad, come here. Where's the electric tug? Yes, it's these things. My dad's the innovator. Yeah, it's not, I guess I get it from him.
What it does, it comes around, gets under the nose wheel of the airplane to move the airplane on the ground. And the way they work, we could fit one more airplane in here. Getting one more airplane in here does translate to a lot more money. You look, the nose of that airplane is up pretty much against the wall. Well, we wouldn't have been able to do that without these tugs.
This airport and shoreline kind of fostered the first installation of electric EV aircraft charging stations in the state.
65 109 0 uniform Tango, continue descending out of the Boston Bravo airspace, direct Marshfield.
Clear to descend through Bravo, direct Marshfield, 250 uniform Tango flight.
What kind of plane was that? That was a Beta Technologies Leah 250. Pretty cool. What kind of power plant you got? All electric. I knew it.
The big picture here is that aviation is an industry that uses a lot of energy. This is an industry that, for us to meet our climate goals, really needs to begin to be decarbonized. To push the industry forward, we need to nurture innovation. And Beta is one of these innovative companies. And Shoreline Aviation, we're in a position to be able to give it a home, to grow, to nurture, so that we can refine it. This airport is a really cool location for this type of application. We're kind of 50 miles to Boston, to Nantucket, to the Cape, to Providence. It's kind of this perfect little place where electrification actually can also make a lot of sense. The infrastructure we installed here at the airport is the same infrastructure that supports the charging stations we have for the superchargers for cars, for EVs, for this bus, for instance. So in terms of how does this play out for the airport, why does it make sense? One, we bring a lot of people, potential customers to the airport, which is really great because there are not many charging stations around the South Shore right now. But also it makes sure that we have some place that can grow in the future and support our future customers. More EVs are going to happen on that side of the fence and on this side of the fence.